Hi, I'm Peter O'Grady. Today I'd like to talk to you about unsecured loans and secured loans. What's the best option in this current marketplace? Well, once you have decided that you need to raise some capital and take out a new loan, the next thing you have to decide is whether or not you wish to go down the unsecured loan route or the secured loan route. It could be that you need a substantial amount of capital to refurbish your property. If the amount of capital you require is less than £25,000, then you should look at a personal unsecured loan, as this is the maximum allowable under a scheme of this type. If you require more than this, then you should look at a secured loan. So, what are the pros and cons? Well, with an unsecured loan, the rates will be slightly cheaper than that of a secured loan. You can pop into your local branch or apply online with major banks and building societies and normally get instant decisions. The downsides are that you can only take out a personal unsecured loan for a maximum term normally between 1 and 8 years, which will make your monthly payments much higher. With a secured loan, the rates will be higher than that of an unsecured loan. The cost involved will be for solicitors, valuation and broker fees, which can amount to 10% of the total loan amount. Another downside to a secured loan is your property must have equity within it, normally 25%. The main mortgage lender will be classed as the first charge, and the secured loan element will be classed the second charge. You do have some flexibility with a secured loan. It can have a longer term than that of an unsecured loan, thus making it more affordable. You do have to remember that your home can be repossessed if you fail to keep up repayments of the loans secured on your property. Are there any other options available? Well, if you're looking for a small amount of money between say £500 and £5,000, then you could look at a credit card. Research the market and try and get an interest-free deal. The last option could be that you look at a remortgage deal. We would only recommend this type of deal if you had no redemption penalties on your existing mortgage, as the costs associated with redemption penalties can far outweigh those of getting a secured loan. So we would always advise that you speak to a professional expert when looking at the best remortgage deals. So speak to a professional when seeking any personal unsecured loan to ensure you get the best unsecured loan solution for your personal circumstances. To get help today, complete our online form at justunsecuredloans.com and you'll be put in contact with an unsecured loans expert who can answer any questions you have and take you through all the options to ensure you find the best unsecured loan solution.